Hey guys, what's up? It's week 153. It's been a while since my last video, but life is so busy right now. Thank you for sticking with me through the dry spells. This week I'm giving you a preview of a new app I'm building. Let's get right into it. I'm building a brand new app. It's something I've literally tried to build dozens of times, and every time I just couldn't get it right, and I ended up scrapping the whole project. This time, I think I've nailed it. When people talk with me about startup ideas or ask questions about the path that I've taken, I always highly recommend building products for businesses. Your everyday person is generally hesitant to spend money on software, but businesses certainly do, and they have planned budgets for this exact kind of spending. However, I'm going off my own advice on this one because I literally just could not build this app. It's too useful, it's too important to me that I had to build it at least for myself. It's something I'm really passionate about, and it streamlines a practice that I've used at every corner of my startup life. A big bonus is that the target user for this app is every single one of you. It's all about creating simulations of your financial life and planning for where you want to be in the future. When I'm deciding to start a business or buy a car or deal with one of life's unexpected turns, one of the most important things to give me perspective and power in my decision making is having a firm grasp on the financial life of our household. I always know how many months of emergency savings we have in the bank. As I've gotten further and further into a career built of startup founding, I've kept a closer eye on retirement planning because I haven't had as many opportunities for 401ks that you would in traditional jobs. We do budget planning every single month and we track finances pretty strongly. I've kept all sorts of spreadsheets as I've tried to predict and project the future. And the more complicated those spreadsheets get, the harder it is to have something that works outside of that exact moment. Best case scenarios are fun to see and can be really inspiring, but I also care a lot about the worst case scenarios so that I can understand how long our fuse is. There's an important balance there because the worst case can't be too pessimistic because then it becomes unreliable. This new app is a simulator for your financial life. You create a starting point of assumptions and then build triggers for all sorts of financial events to happen over time. It shows you where your bank account and investments wind up, and most importantly for a startup founder, marking the exact moment that you're going to go dead broke if something doesn't pick up. I'm still trying to find that perfect name, something aspirational, because planning for the future is all about creating freedom and power and relaxing you into a cool-headed state because you have these insights about what may happen next. The name needs to be memorable, of course, easy to spell, and not a term that's already scattered across the internet, making it hard to find a little appling that's ready to grow. Here's just a little preview of what it's gonna kind of look like. This is sort of this theme. Here we're picking out like a start date, end date for our simulation. We can enter information about the bank account and investments that we're making and what our monthly expenses are and what our income is, and then our retirement plan. There's a lot more you can do. This is just sort of like the opening wizard and giving you guys kind of like a feel for what it's going to look like. I'll circle back with you all and let you know as soon as it's ready. It actually shouldn't be too long. It's kept my heart racing and it's really hard to sleep at night because I want this out there so badly. And to all the Dropboard fans out there, Dropboard's not going anywhere. Any success of this app only fuels the resources for building Dropboard into a bigger and better platform. So that's it for this week. If this idea resonates with you, let me know in the comments. Right now, I'm leaning towards letting the first set of users buy a lifetime license before I switch on monthly or yearly subscriptions. That's it for now. Thanks a lot.